Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to quit Basecamp. But before we get into the steps, let's take a moment to consider why you might want to leave Basecamp in the first place. Why quit Basecamp? Basecamp is a great project management tool, but it's not for everyone. Here are a few reasons why you might want to consider leaving. Cost. Basecamp is a paid subscription service, and the cost can add up quickly, especially for larger teams. Complexity. Basecamp can be a bit complex to use, especially for new users. Not the right fit. Basecamp might not be the right tool for your specific needs. There are many other project management tools available that might be a better fit for you. If you're considering leaving Basecamp, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Once you've made your decision, here's how to quit Basecamp. How to quit Basecamp. Log in to your Basecamp account. Click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Cancel My Account. You will be asked to confirm that you want to cancel your account. Click on Yes, Cancel My Account. Once you have canceled your account, you will no longer have access to Basecamp. You can export your data before you cancel your account if you want to keep it. What to do after you quit Basecamp? Once you have quit Basecamp, you may want to consider finding a new project management tool. There are many great options available, so take some time to research your options and find the right tool for your needs. Quitting Basecamp can be a difficult decision, but it may be the right choice for you if you're not happy with the tool. By following the steps in this video, you can easily cancel your account and move on to a new project management tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.